Hi, MotoTales here. Today we're in Pickens, South Carolina, at the suggestion of a viewer. I was talking about a road that was out this way, and he said, hey, you really need to try 178 from Pickens up to Rosman in North Carolina. Looked at it on a map, it looks pretty cool. So let's go ride it. Headed towards some kick-ass mountain road. So far, it's just a nice little flowy, back road kind of feel to it. See the mountains looming in the distance. Start up the mountains, that's when it gets exciting. I've been at that gas station before because I've been this way. And I remember this sign because I was like, ooh, that's probably pretty good. We should go that way. Alright, so sharp turns, narrow shoulders, through trucks with trailers longer than 30 feet are prohibited on 178. Good signs, y'all. Those are good signs. That's an hour starting to get into the meat of it. The curvy bitty bits. I did see this hill of curve right there. I did see a sign that said vehicles over 30 feet prohibited in 8 miles. And this is tight. This turned all mountain, all fast. 1 minute we were just kind of cruising along. Next minute, straight up. And curvy. I like it though. It's very good. Definitely keeps you busy. Quick little straightaway there. Little brakey brakes. Or brakey brakes. Here we go. Now that one didn't do it, but there's been several decrease in radius turns. It's where you get into the curve and then it tightens up even more as you're coming out of it. I think we have topped out one little mountain here. Down right now. Whoop, that's a big hump right there. That was fun. Third time we've gone up and then come back down a little bit, which is always good. And we're starting back up. Funny how there's always a river at the bottom. Up we go. That's a cool little curve right there. Come at me out of nowhere, bro. This place is all tore up with this. Guardrail's mangled. I assume that must be hurricane damage. All the trees have got chopped up. Big old 15-mile-an-hour curve here. Somebody painted something on the wall. What's that say? Moorfield Memorial Highway. Are you saved or lost? Curvy mountain road. Lord mercy. That narrow's pretty serious. Share the road, 20 miles an hour. No, it's my road. Just letting y'all borrow it. Oh, I think we just hit North Carolina. Yeah, because it just turned from that Moorfield whatever Memorial Highway to Pickens Highway, so we are in North Carolina now. Nice. Lord. Lots of 15 and 20 mile an hour turns. It's still going up. Just up. Oh look, there's curves. I panicked to hit the guardrail right there. We have 90-degree left-hand turn right here is what the map looks like. Yep, pretty much. Kind of going through a little town here. I don't think it's not Rosman. We're definitely in a residential area right now. Thank you for suggesting that road. That was fun. It's a good road. So I think the biggest difference in this road and some of the others that you can do, like I mentioned the 28 North, that's more or less through national forest, so you don't have houses and turnoffs and stuff. Whereas this one you pretty much do, because I don't believe any of this went through a national forest. Rosman city limit. There's tiger paws all over the road. I'm going to guess that the Rosman High School mascot is the tiger. Pickens to Rosman. Absolutely fun. That's a good ride, man. Thanks for suggesting it. So the rest of you, if you like the video, like it, share, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Because every time you do, it gets me one step closer to being able to go do the next cool thing and share it with you guys. So thanks for watching. Have a good ride. Gang signs. I don't know. Anyway.